Hey everybody, Gavin here. Today I'm with my buddy Lewis, and we're going to Lake Joesph for some lake trout. We're doing a Facebook fishing tournament, and I'll update you guys when we get there. Get all the sleds packed, and I'll see you when we get there. Okay, we are all packed up. We're heading out now, just leaving the boat launch. I got Lewis over there behind me. Snowshoes on. We're ready. I'll set you guys up when we set up the hut. Okay, I know you can't see me well, but we're heading up to the admin fishing hut right now to sign in for the tournament. See if I can get the consultation on camera for you. Let's see if you're listening. If you're gonna do it. Yeah. Nice fish. Over here with Mikey to his Eskimo. Let's go. First 20 people get choice of free bait. Thanks to Mikey over here. What?
Grab one of these.
Okay.
You get one large one.
Okay.
One small one, and then the meat.
Oh, sweet. Okay. Let's see here.
Yo, brother. You know how you do it? Close the door. Do it through the window.
Through the window?
Drive through.
Yeah. So I don't have to freeze crosses.
Seems like he's not too happy with you.
No, he's not. Always taking in, right?
Yeah.
I should bring here, close this halfway maybe.
Sure.
Where?
And then, let's see. These are some good meats. What do you think? Goby or perch? I think a perch.
Goby.
Goby? Alright.
Knock it off bottom.
There you go.
That's what they're made for, right?
Where's the other one? Oh, there it is. Alright, thanks Mikey.
No worries, bro.
Good luck.
Alright, yeah, good luck for you.
Good luck, boys. Got our free baits for being the second people here. What's going on, Lewis? You gonna talk all day or what?
That's what I do best.
You got the free baits going here now.
Yeah, I'm gonna go do that right now.
Yeah, go choose. So hyped. Put these in my sled. And I'll put away the camera so we start setting up. Shove them in there. Sweet.
If I could just set the hook on that for you.
Will's got hooked up a fish right now.
Yeah, it's something little. A fucking little bird maybe.
Let's see here. Oh, little lake trout.
Tiny laker.
Sweet. You guys got a minnow on there?
Bunch of minnows.
Sweet.
Oh, right off bottom.
Want to show the
Oh,
camera?
there's another fish on bottom.
All those are little dinks right now.
Want to show the camera? Sweet.
Ooh.
Nice little guy.
Oh, go the other way.
Need some help? There he goes. Sweet.
Go the other way.
Okay, light's starting to come up. We almost got the hut up now. I'm gonna set you down and do a time lapse, get everything ready. We'll start fishing.
Oh yeah.
Are you going by?
No. Like 50.
Got a fish.
Yes, buddy.
Small.
Gavin is on.
Could be my first. Just getting closer here. First Laker. First Laker.
Oh yeah, buddy.
Oh, it's burping. Right
Yeah, I pulled her out 100 feet. She gonna be burping.
Oh,
No,
she
I have
burping.
to.
She burping all right. Yo, it's sick.
Yes.
I'm actually so happy. This is my first ever lake trip.
Oh man, that is awesome.
You want to grab that for me?
Congratulations, man. I mean it.
There's 12. There's a tip right there. 12 and a half. Let's go fishing, boys. Lake Joesph 2025. Let's go. Can't even see me right now. So, sorry, I haven't updated you yet. We are set up. Right now it is 9:30. We saw you last around 6. So we've had marks up until now, or all throughout till now, where I just caught my first ever lake trout. So hyped about that. It's not gonna...
Dude, I got props me on that, dude. Good
It
job.
is. It's not gonna win the tournament for sure, but first ever in the books.
Oh, that was it.
Yeah?
I just got a bite.
Are you showing on wide?
Huh?
Do you see it on the wide? Because I don't see it on mine. Oh, those
Right on me.
stinky fishies.
Yeah. They're kind of hard to handle too. They're really slimy.
Let's keep it going. Just lost a fish off bottom.
Oh, he's coming up.
Is he? Is he on me?
Yeah, I think he is. Well, I think he dropped. Yeah, he just dropped back down.
As I'm turning
He's
around.
coming back up.
Yeah. As I'm turning on the camera, Lewis gets into a fish.
He's on one of us. I can't tell who.
Just lost it.
He's on you.
It's on me, eh?
Wasn't paying attention. That was on me. I kind of had him, but my drag was way too loose. If you heard that.
Yeah, I did. So was mine, actually. For those, even the little fish. That's weird. Oh, it's coming up again.
Oh, I just got a bite.
Yeah. Oh,
He's on you.
yeah. Thought I had a bite. I don't know.
Yeah.
Fish.
Yes. It looks nicer.
Feels a little nicer.
He's on again. I'm slacking. Ooh. Something just hit me, sorry.
Something nice. Oh, did it come off? No, it's just coming towards me. Yeah, it's
Oh,
nice. Nicer one.
nicer.
Oh, see, on that trailer hook. Just put that trailer hook on. Just put that trailer hook on. Calm down, buddy. It's okay. Everything's fine.
Wow, that's
Dude, calm down.
congrats. Wow.
Better than the first one.
Yeah, Laker fucking numero deuce.
This is probably
Dose.
13-ish, maybe 14.
You know, definitely passing that 12 line.
Let's get that camera over here. Let's see, just a rough... Yeah, it's about 13 and a half. Nice fish. See if you'll stay still for me.
Was it just kind of dead, or was it while you were jigging?
Yeah, it's about 13 and a quarter.
Nice.
Let's go fishing, boys. 2025 Lake Joesph. Let's go. Lewis just burnt his line on the heater, and then he has a fish on while hand jigging.
Oh my god.
100 feet of line. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Oh my god.
Come on. Does it feel good?
It's okay. Yeah, a little, can't quite tell yet.
You got one on there though, yeah?
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, he's on.
Look at this guy. Look at this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Looks like the best one of the hut.
Yeah, you're not too bad. In my slides,
Exactly.
not even
Look
my
at
boots.
this. Look at this goof.
Heck yeah, dude. I can't believe I freaking burnt my line.
Gotta be though.
It did, yeah. It did have to be.
Go get a measurement on that guy.
Yeah. Try and show him for the camera. Be free.
Yeah, he won't settle down. Nice. There you go. Look at the two jig in him.
Yeah.
Sweet. So you see the measurement.
I dubbed the Jeffrey. What, sorry?
Put the head on the end of there.
And then till 14 on 14 the dot. Foot. Yeah, just passes the line. Inches. Yeah, 14.
Sweet, biggest one of the day.
Heck yeah. Yes.
There we go.
Yeah.
Now when you.
Yeah, hook set too, eh?
Yeah, that's a good one.
It wasn't going nowhere.
Nope. Nice trout, man.
Thanks, buddy.
You releasing or keeping?
I'm keeping them.
Keeping them.
Yeah. Him off.
Okay, don't reel. Leave it there. He might still be around.
Yeah, he's coming up. He dropped.
Just lost a fish, everybody.
He's going after you. Right at you.
Yep, felt it.
Oh, you gonna steal my fish?
Yes,
Oh.
I had him.
Oh, he's coming up to me. He bit again.
Let's go.
Yes!
That's hilarious.
Oh, this one feels nice.
Let's go. Moving there.
Peeling the drag. Oh my gosh. Dude,
Yeah?
look.
Yeah?
Look at this rod. Definitely nicer than anyone. Dude, it feels like a nice one. I see him.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't. Wow, he fought a lot harder than.
Oh, there he is.
But beauty.
Sweet. Bring him over to you here.
Yeah.
Good fish, buddy.
Yeah, thank you.
Camera's a little foggy now. He's in the water.
Yeah.
I mean, hey, it's
Look at those colors. Wow. Look at the top patterns.
Let me whip up the camera here.
Yeah, I gotta release them quick, sir.
Beautiful.
Beautiful fish.
See the release.
Yeah, let's get them out quick. I don't wanna.
2 fish each.
Yeah. Hopefully I catch more.
Oh, he went. He was ready.
That was
awesome, buddy. What is it? Doesn't feel big, but like it's weird.
It's a drop.
Oh,
No.
just came off.
They're so
I didn't
good
even
at
feel
that.
a bite, bro.
I see it going down.
Do you really?
Go back down.
Oh, it's. Hold on. It's like right here. Oh no, it did. Just caught my third, my best of the trip. Oh, she's burping. I can't really see it. I'll get you a better view in a sec. Take you here. Nice trout. Good one right there. That's a good trout. Let's get a measure on her.
Yeah.
Put you guys down. And we'll get her on. Let's go fishing, boys. 2025. 15.5 incher. Here we go. Lake Joesph. Release. Will she go? Turn
Sometimes
around.
you have to revive them in the high water, but...
Turn around, buddy. There you go. Get down there. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, man. Congrats.
Okay, small update for you guys. We got our cots out ready for bed. It is 4:45 right now. We still in Markins fish on about 75 feet of water. I just caught the best from our hut so far, 15.5. It's still not going to be a winner fish, but This is my third of the trip. He's got 2. We're doing good. I'll update you if we get any more.
I guess it's illegal now. Still.
Okay, everybody. The time right now is 6:23. We were kind of up and down all night. We had a good sleep, couple hours.
Yeah.
We haven't really been playing with many fish throughout the night. We'd get a mark or 2 here and there. The fish are just starting to come around now. We're starting to get tons of marks. Like right there looks like a fish I'm trying to drop down to. Over here, got buddies. So we're doing okay. I'll keep you updated if I catch any fish.
Oh, sorry. Oh,
There we go.
yes. Frickin' 6 a.m. Oh no, ew.
14er?
Yeah, I'd say 14er. 13, 14.
Almost lost it.
I saw, nice save.
Probably just another 12er.
Yeah, he seems like a kind of average fight.
Oh, even probably tinier. It's on the bottom. Oh my god.
I think that's the smallest of the day.
Yeah, it is.
Quick and easy release.
Hey everybody, it is 10:30 right now. We are getting the hut all packed up. Got everything put away. We just got to put it in the sleds and we're gone. We might end up stopping just in front of the boat launch over there. It's just to see if there's anything. I could see one hut just over there. So yeah, we might stop. We might not. So far we've caught 1, 2, 3, 4 fish. No, we've caught 7 fish total, and we put back however many. So yeah, these are fish here. Nice ones. Everybody's been kind of catching the same size. There's been a couple people that's got lucky. There was one guy who's been catching like 9 or 10 38 inchers. Like, he was just insane. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. All right, we got back to the car, just packing it up all now. We ended up stopping on the way to check another spot. No luck. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. See ya.